Now we are on lesson 2, writing portion, Michelangelo. Here is warm-up exercise. You have to match these pieces, or what we can say, you have to match the names of the pieces of art given in column A with the names of the artist in the column B. You can see carefully and you can match it. Here it is. I hope you all have seen. You have to match like this. Mona Lisa is matched to Da Vinci. The tragedy, Picasso. The Stereotypes, Van Gogh. Woman with the Parasol is written by Monet. Now we will move for in-text questions. So first in-text question is given on page number 32. So when you will open page number 32, you will find this question. What problem did Michelangelo face in Rome? Here we show you in-text question. First part. Michelangelo faced boredom in Rome. Michelangelo faced boredom in Rome. See the top line. Michelangelo faced boredom in Rome because because it seemed to him that there was no character in the alike faces of Rome. I hope you can see it. I repeat in text first question. Michelangelo faced boredom in Rome because it seemed to him that in the there was no character in the alike faces of Rome to inspire his art. This is your first answer. Question second is given on page number 33. What did Brandt claim about the faces in his painting? We also have on page number 34 one more question. See all together so that I will give you answer together. What is the meaning of the expression without the shadow of a doubt? This also I'll give you. Then next question again given on page number 34 only. How and where did Michelangelo find the inspiration for the Virgin Mary? Let us focus on second in text now, which is given on page number 33. Question was, what did Brandt claim about the faces in his painting? Answer is, Brandt proudly claimed that created he created faces of the characters in his paintings from his own imagination, unlike Michelangelo. Then there was next question which was given on page number 34. I'm reading again question. Please focus. What is the meaning of the expression without the shadow of a doubt? Here we are going here. See in the middle. Without the shadow of a doubt means that there were absolutely no second thoughts regarding Michelangelo being the right person for the job he had been commissioned to do. This is your page 34, first answer. There is one more box on page 34. I have read for you. How and where did Michelangelo find the inspiration for the Virgin Mary? Answer is this. Michelangelo found, because did is there in the question, so we always have to change the verb. Michelangelo found his Virgin Mary in his frail, Frail, frail and caring, Caring, caring mother. I hope it's clear this much for you. Now we are moving for next in-text question, which is given on page number 36. Open page 36 and write there only with pencil. You can write in the book itself. When you will open page number 35, you open 35, you will see, why did Michelangelo agree to paint the Sistine Chapel? One more question is here. Describe the man Michelangelo thought had the face of Judas. So that you take on page 35. We are on first in text now. Michelangelo agreed to paint the Sistine Chapel because he knew this job would earn him glory, glory, that would outlive his lifetime, and also because he needed money to buy marble for his sculptures. So that is correct answer. I'm reading once again full answer. Michelangelo agreed to paint the Sistine Chapel because he knew this job would earn him glory that would outlive his lifetime, and also because he needed money to buy marbles for his sculptures. So that is answer over. We are having one more question on page 35 only. Question was, describe the man Michelangelo thought had face of Judas. So Michelangelo found his Judas in the in a tavern. Tavern is a place of rest and eating food. One after tavern, comma, one day, full stop. He was a man with unusually bright and beady eyes. Beady. After eyes, full stop. He was restless and he was cheating people for food. He was partially bald and he spoke very fast. So this is our answer. I repeat full answer once again. Michelangelo found his Judas in a tavern day. In a tavern one day. He was a man with usually bright and beady eyes. He was restless and he was cheating people for food. He was partially bald and he spoke very fast. So this is what your in-text answers over. Now we will move for making connections. I hope you all can see making connection exercises here. Quick answers are there now. Complete the following sentence. You can open page 37 and be ready with your pencil. With pencil you can do. I'll be reading for you question as well as answer. Note it down. Making connections. Page 37 and 38. Quick connections. Here. Rome had begun to bore Michelangelo because all faces lacked LACKD lacked character as they all looked alike to him. So answer is all the faces lacked character as they all looked alike to him. B. Michelangelo had found Mary with ease when he saw. After that blank is there. So you can write answer is his mother carrying a couple of pots strung together with a bamboo stick filled with water on her shoulder. His mother carrying a couple of pots strung together with a bamboo stick filled with water on her shoulder. Up to here we have completed. Now we'll go down. C portion. Michelangelo had refused to paint the frescoes is painting only for the Sistine Chapel because he believed himself to be a sculptor, not a painter. I repeat answer. He believed himself to be a sculptor and not a painter. Then D. Michelangelo found his Judas in a small and dark eatery room. This is two blanks are there in D. Michelangelo found his Judas in a small and dark eatery in Rome, not room, in Rome, where he was. This is written now again blank, tricking people for food. Tricking people for food. E answer. Michelangelo was taken aback when his Judas turned out to be urchin that he had seen in Bologna. Turned out to be the urchin that he had seen in Bologna, that is Bologna, and whose face he had given to his child Jesus. I repeat, Michelangelo was taken aback when his Judas turned out, Turned, turned out to be urchin that he had seen in Bologna, and whose face he had given to the child, his child Jesus.